materials. So the change in length of the material due to the change of temperature is proportional. So when we say proportional, kung ito ay masyadong nahihit na siya, so ang materials nag-increase or nag-expand, so directly proportional each other. So to each original length and the material specific property known as the coefficient of linear expansion. So ano yung linear expansion dito? So yung materials na GI wire. So the coefficient linear expansion of the GI wire is 12 times 10 raised to the negative 6 per degree Celsius. So according to Merriam-Webster Online Dictionary by 2023, the thermal expansion is the increase of the linear dimensions of a solid or in the volume of fluid because it is change in temperature. So therefore, it is the change in dimensional properties of object when exposed to change in temperature. So parang same lang nila. Sa pag-describe nila, may directly proportional to each other. So what is our objective here in this experiment? Next slide. So in this experiment, we aim to achieve the following. So the first one is determine the change of temperature experienced by the wire or the GI wire. The next one is we determine the change in length of the GI wire or the galvanized iron wire. So for the next reporter, we'll tackle about the materials needed on this experiment. So, Ms. Imhong Watu.
So good morning once again. So I am Wati Imhong Saril. So these are the materials that we use during the activities. We have GI wire or piece of carrot, alcohol lamp, denatured alcohol, matches or phosphorol, tin can, knife or cutter, ruler, empty glass bottle, wooden blocks, and pliers.
Ganyan. Ganyan lang. Pero white lang. Ganyan. Ayan.
Good morning, everyone. I am Wardina Ibrahim. Now I'm going to discuss about procedure. So we have 10 steps to achieve this experiment. So first is prepare all the necessary materials. And then second is place the correctly to the mouth of the glass bottle and ensure it is fit. And if not, trim it accordingly para magkasya talaga siya correctly. And then third is attach the GI wire to the cord and measure its initial length. We need to measure the initial length. The third step. So fourth is attach 2 pieces of carrots and in the end of the GI wire and ensure it if the weight is the same weight para hindi siya galaw-galaw. And then fifth is arrange the wooden box to create a stable platform for the article. So at we know this, diba, sa review natin sa experiment natin, may hindi talaga mag-abot yung lamp natin sa GI wire. So we need to create a stable platform for the alcohol lamp para mag-ano siya. And then next is fill the alcohol lamp into the nature alcohol and light it. And after that, observe the linear expansion of the GI wire. So, diba naka-light siya. So we need to observe if the GI wire expand, may naka-expand siya na nangyayari. And then, after the lighting the lamp, turn it off using the tin can. So, kapag mag-off tayo ng alcohol lamp, hindi pwede i-blow lang natin. We need talaga ang tin can para iwas sa danger. Oo, iwas sa danger. And then, next is measure the length of the GI wire wire again. So dito, papasok is yung sa final. Final light na siya, hinipin niya dito. And then the last, but not the least, but the calculate the result. And then that's all. So good morning everyone. So at this moment, we will talk to you about the illustration. So this illustration, these are the materials that we use to linear expansion activity. So the materials that we use, GI wire, it is used to hold the carrot. And the fork, it is partially inserted inside the container to form a seal. And the piece of carrot, it is what has been hung the end or edge of the GI wire. The alcohol lamp, it is used for heating. It is made up of glass. And the denatured alcohol, it is used as the fuel or liquid to make the alcohol lamp produce fire. So we have here the illustration, and the tin can is used to turn off the alcohol lamp, and the knife or cutter it is used to cut the carrot, and the ruler is used to measure the length of the GI wire, and the empty glass bottle it is used to serve as a holder or stand on the wire with carrots at each end. It seems to be the holding the wire to prevent the carrot carried on the wire from falling at the end. And the wooden block, it is also serves as the base for blocks in alcohol lamp. Phosphor or matches, a match tool for starting the fire. And the last pipe, it is used for cutting the GI wire.
Good day everyone, I'm Maria Sophie. So after doing the illustration, we're now proceed to the observation. So as we began heating the wire, its color changed into black, wherein it is caused by the temperature of the alcohol lamp. So here, the color of the DIY wire from silver, it became black because of the heat coming from the alcohol lamp. And then we observe also that when we get closer to the experiment, we can feel that the experiment is getting hotter. And then also we observe that the length of the GI wire is expanding due to the temperature of the alcohol lamp. So this called is thermal expansion, wherein it is the tendency of a object to expand its length, area, volume, and so on because of the temperature. That's all.
So, the analysis of the linear expansion is a type of thermal expansion, which is the length of GI wire is getting bigger in size, or in other words, it is expanding when it is heated. So, the science behind it, yung hindi pa siya in-expose sa heat, the particles of inside particles of the GI wire, they are close together. Hindi pa siya in-expose sa heat. They are close together and vibrate in position. So kapag vibrate, meron siyang motion. So the motion of it is a constant motion pa siya. So when the heat is being supplied from the alcohol lamp, the inside of the temperature of particles is increasing because of the alcohol lamp. And also, when the particles is increasing, the temperature of particles is increasing, the kinetic energy, which is dependent on the temperature, is increasing. Because why? Kasi yung particles is a move na, may constant motion na siya. So kapag the particles move, when particles move, it is possess kinetic energy. So when we added heat, the particles is gain more energy or gain more kinetic energy, and they cause them they collect these particles. Ito siya, yung particles sa loob niya. Kapag sa heat, when heat is supplied, the neighbors of earth particles is they collide with, nagbanggaan ba sila? So they collide with each other, and also they take more space, parang ganun. So that's why they have a change of length. So kapag, for example, kapag yung temperature, the temperature of particles is increasing, the velocity of vibration is also increasing because of the temperature. Because of temperature of the alcohol lamp is increased. So kapag ganun, yung cause nila, yung particles will they collide with each other and take up space, mas farther away pa sila. So magiging yung GI wire ay magkakaroon ng change of length. Yung yung initial length namin sa GI wire was 18.3. So when we applied the alcohol lamp, yung heat absorption magiging 18.4 cm. So ito yung yung solution namin. So at the 475 degrees Celsius, our length our final length is 18.4 centimeter. So good morning to each and everyone. So now let's proceed to conclusion. Since we already know the analysis, let's start in conclusion. So in conclusion, we found that when the materials are heated, they can expand in length. So yun nga, na-expand yung length ng GI wire namin. So in our experiment, the GI wire grew from 18.3 cm to 18.4 cm. So yun nga yung minimate ni Miss Malik. So this change directly relates to the heat it absorbed. So as the temperature rises, the wire's particles move faster, pushing against each other, causing the wire to expand. So this experiment shows that when things get hotter, they usually get bigger as well. So this principle is important in a wire's real-world application. So that's all.